Do you want the wealth-building benefits of real estate, the appreciation, the cash flow, the security, but absolutely hate the idea of dealing with broken leases, late-night tenant calls, and leaky pipes? The great news is you can become a real estate mogul without ever buying a physical property or talking to a single tenant. The secret is knowing how to be a real estate investor without being a landlord. We are talking about two main, low-effort strategies. First, investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts, which are essentially stocks that own commercial property and pay out their rental income as dividends. Second, using real estate crowdfunding platforms to invest in large commercial projects with low minimums. These methods are perfectly suited for anyone from 17 to 50 because they eliminate the massive upfront cash needed for a down payment and the constant hassle of management. Stop waiting to save $500,000 for a house. Today, we break down how to get that passive property income immediately. If you want the names of the top REITs and crowdfunding platforms, hit that follow button now.